Well, as the Sunanda murder mystery deepens, we understand that the police is preparing to question Shashi Tharoor in respect to the case, but the Congress still backing their party man, saying that the trial by media is not fair.
सुनंदा पुष्कर मेरी बचपन की दोस्त थी। हमारा बचपन साथ साथ बीता है और जब ये घटना घटी उससे पहले भी जो घटनाएं उनके साथ हुई, अल्टीमेटली ये सब हुआ, तो उस सब को ट्रैक करते हुए हम ये सोचते हैं कि जो अब इसका निर्णय आया है, जो दिल्ली
Well, Aditya Raj Kaul still with us. Aditya, can you give us a sense of what the Delhi police's next move is going to be, given the fact that they've lost a lot of time in the last 1 year since this murder really took place and the FIR has only been registered now? Is the Delhi police likely to question some friends of Sunanda Pushkar? Are they likely to also question Shashi Tharoor anytime soon?
Well, absolutely, Navika. The biggest challenge that the Delhi police at this moment faces is to establish motive in this particular case. What could have really led the killing of Sunanda Pushkar? Of course, she was a well-known socialite. She was the wife of senior Congress leader Shashi Tharoor. She had, over the years, really had a good rise from Kashmir to Dubai and then back to New Delhi. And of course, she was known in the circles well in Dubai. And of course, due to her participation in the IPL as well. So Delhi police would certainly question not just the friends of Sunanda Pushkar who knew her very well and also had met her over the 2 to 3 days before the killing of Sunanda Pushkar in New Delhi's Leela Hotel, but also apart from friends, the journalists, the 5 crucial journalists who had also met her. Was there something that Sunanda Pushkar had confessed in them, shared in them? Was she really going to reveal? That's what Subramanian Swamy has maintained from day one. And also the circumstantial evidence is crucial in this particular case. The CCTV of that particular floor was not really working. Delhi police would have to investigate why that was the case. Also, from the very first day, they maintained that this is the case of drug overdose and Alprax could have been taken in greater quantity, but that myth has been completely busted after Dr. Sudhir Gupta of AIIMS maintained that it was poisoning, perhaps also polonium 210 that has killed Yasir Arafat in the past could have been used. So certainly it is an open-ended case. Delhi police will certainly question Shashi Tharoor, all the friends of Sunanda Pushkar and journalists, but we'll have to see how much time will Delhi police really take to really crack this case and really to reveal who killed Sunanda Pushkar.
Sources are now telling Times Now that Shashi Tharoor's letter written in November last was sent to the concerned officers by the Commissioner's office, but nobody replied to it. In fact, few people have been questioned since the registration of this FIR. Bhavtosh Singh, who's been spearheading the entire investigation into the Sunanda Pushkar murder mystery, is with us on the phone line. Bhavtosh, a letter written by Shashi Tharoor last November to the Police Commissioner that some of his aides were being threatened by the cops really to take his name. How much action has the Delhi police taken on it, and have they come up with any details of what was done after they received the letter from Shashi Tharoor?
Well, the Commissioner's office, and in fact, B.S. Basti himself admitted in the evening 2 times now that he did receive a email from Shashi Tharoor. He did not explain the exact content of the telephonic conversation he had with Shashi Tharoor, but he said that it was forwarded to the concerned officers. CP office has now said that they gave the letter to the concerned officers and they did not wish to reply to it, primarily because it didn't merit that kind of seriousness. Now, the police have said that it's an ongoing criminal probe in which they have right to question someone. They have admitted that his domestic health was questioned for nearly 32 hours between 5th and 6th of November, and but they claim that he was not tortured. Now, police have said that Shashi Tharoor told that his domestic health will be called in for questioning, for which a legal notice was issued.
Right, Bhavtosh, thanks for those details. We'll keep an eye on all the angles of the investigation by Delhi police and keep tracking Shashi Tharoor in Thrissur, where he is undergoing treatment.